Faith is where you let go, not where you hold on. They want something to hold on to, you see? And that is unfaith. The method is to knock the stuffing out of you, to take away everything to which you cling, to cleanse you completely of all beliefs, all ideas, all concepts of what life is about, so that you are completely let go. When it says it's the art of let go, of non-attachment, non-attachment doesn't mean that you lose your appetite for dinner. It means simply that you stop grabbing. You get rid of stickiness. Everything is in a state of change. There's no way of stopping it. And when you are really resigned to that, and when you really accept that, then there's nothing left to be afraid of. You've got to let go and let it happen, because if you don't, you're going to be all clutched up. You're going to be constantly trying to do what can happen healthily only if you don't try.